Good people, Mark Holmes here, and as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Me and the wife found this antique lock, and I think this lock will be the perfect lock for the Red Brick House's storage building. The only problem is the lock itself, of course, is a very simple lock. It's got the keys on it. The metal that's the actual lock part is bigger than all of the hasp that I've been able to find. So I'm actually here in Waynesboro, and this is the Virginia Institute of Blacksmithing. They actually teach classes on blacksmithing. Now, I've got enough talents and stuff as it is right now. I'm not sure I want to add blacksmithing to the list, but I'm going to see if they can actually make me a hand-hammered, old-fashioned looking hasp to use for the building. Let's go check it out. Thank you.
Right now we have certification students working on their final projects. So this is like, they spend a year coming in doing like 40 lab hours a month, and then they finally accumulate, they plan a project and execute it.
What was this building originally? A blacksmith shop?
No, originally it was some kind of manufacturer. We had some guys that visit. I think they just worked on like hardware stuff. I don't actually know specifics.
Okay.
But Dale went from renting out of that building down there. Yeah, they got the glass people inside, and they have Fred Chris inside. And now he bought this building 5 years ago, and it's been growing into.
Were all the chimneys and things like this? Did you guys do those?
That, yeah.
That is cool.
Yeah, so everything here is like, we use coal mostly. And then if not using coal, there's propane forge over there, and we also have the torches, because they're good for different things, but it's mainly coal. You can see a little pallets on the wall there.
Wow. So it really hasn't changed in doing blacksmith in hundreds of years.
Yeah, everything. Well, it depends on where you go too. Like America tends to be lean more traditional blacksmithing, and then when you go to Europe, they tend to do a lot more like fabrication work. So they like to use. So they don't even use coal. I think there are a lot of places they ban it because of the smoke. Yeah. And they'll use propane or the induction coils and things like that. But it does mean the stuff that is made looks different because you're using different techniques and stuff. So like when Dale went to Venice when he was younger to take it was like a 3-month or like kind of like a school. He was there for a program, and they forgot how to do forge welding because they never use coal, so they don't need it, and they didn't learn how to do it. So he was able to show them something, and they showed him how to use like the torches and
so
to use
when you go through and start making this, you'll have like a billet that you'll start hammering out.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, not the hasp for this. When you start making that.
So for that one, I would probably start with. I would cut the plate out, the back plate from the sheet metal that we keep on the other side with the welding. So this is a good chance to come over here. So yeah, I think with the size of it, I'd probably try to grab something here that's like thick enough, like this would be thick enough.
Okay.
And then for the part, because it was cool when you had that one piece that could fold back over and cover it up. So that I would probably grab some bar stock over here. You probably get something like this, and then you could like shape it into that picture how they had it. And then you just, obviously, like, you don't want to leave it looking like sheets, so you dress the edges. And
pound it out.
Basically, you pound it out, you put it with anvil, work around it. Just kind of beat it up a little bit.
Oh, I can't wait to see this.
To make it,
this is going to be fun. Okay. Thank you, Shannon. I appreciate that. Oh, wow. This is going to be fun. So they're going to be able to fix our actually Loaf Liberty stove as well as get us our hasp. So I'm going to look forward to this.